Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest and expert beauty insights to elevate your routine. If you're someone who's looking to step up your oral hygiene game, stay tuned because today we're talking about something that could change the way you clean between your teeth: the Gum Soft Picks Advanced Dental Picks. This isn't just your average dental pick. It's designed for precision, comfort, and convenience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Gum Soft Picks Advanced are a game changer when it comes to interdental cleaning. Unlike regular disposable toothpicks, these feature soft bristles that slide easily between teeth, making them more effective at removing plaque and food debris. This is especially helpful if you have tight spaces between your teeth, braces, or bridges. The design includes a longer, curved handle and a tapered tip, offering you better control and a deeper reach, making it an excellent option for those who struggle to get into smaller spaces with traditional floss. What I really appreciate about these picks is their versatility. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Gum Soft Picks are compact and come with a convenient plastic case that fits easily into your purse or car. This makes it perfect for quick, discreet touch-ups during the day, so you don't have to worry about carrying around bulky flossing tools. Plus, they're disposable. No fuss, just use and toss. But I have to say, the real star here is the bristle design. It's gentle on the gums, but still manages to get into those hard-to-reach spots without causing any discomfort. After using them consistently for a few weeks, I noticed a noticeable improvement in the overall cleanliness of my mouth. The soft bristles feel gentle on the gums, and I didn't experience any irritation, something I sometimes struggle with when using traditional floss. It's an easy addition to my oral care routine, and it's made maintaining my gum health a lot more efficient. As for the cons, there's not much to complain about, but one thing I'd mention is that the picks are disposable. While that's great for convenience, it's not the most eco-friendly option. If you're environmentally conscious, you might want to take that into consideration. Now let's talk about value for money. At first glance, you might think, aren't these just disposable picks? But after using them, I can tell you that they offer excellent value for the price. The ease of use, the precision they provide, and the fact that they come in a handy carry case make them worth every penny. Plus, considering they're dentist recommended, you're investing in something that's been vetted by professionals, so it's safe to say you're getting your money's worth in terms of both quality and performance. In comparison to other dental picks, Gum Soft Picks stand out in terms of design and functionality. Many similar products can feel too stiff or difficult to maneuver, but these are incredibly easy to use and gentle on the gums. While there are other brands out there, Gum's reputation for quality and its long history of dental expertise puts this product a notch above many competitors. Now, when it comes to build quality, the picks are solid. The bristles stay in place, and the handles are sturdy enough to avoid bending or breaking mid-use, which has been an issue I've had with cheaper alternatives in the past. The case is also durable, making it easy to carry around without worrying about damage. As for longevity, since they're disposable, you'll want to replace them after a few uses to maintain their effectiveness. If you're wondering about alternatives, there are a few other dental picks on the market, but I'd recommend sticking with these if you're looking for comfort and precision. While you could find cheaper alternatives, they may not offer the same quality or ease of use. If you're open to exploring, you could look into reusable options, though they might not provide the same convenience as these disposable picks. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, as far as customer support goes, I haven't needed to contact Gum directly, but based on their long-standing reputation in the dental care industry, I'd expect prompt and helpful responses if any issues did arise. It's worth noting that Gum is known for providing excellent customer service in general. So what's the final verdict? The Gum Soft Picks Advanced Dental Picks are a solid choice for anyone looking to improve their gum health and maintain a cleaner mouth between dental visits. They're easy to use, effective, and convenient, especially for those with tight interdental spaces, braces, or bridges. If you want to prioritize your gum health without hassle, this is definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used these picks or have any other dental hygiene tips, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And if you want to grab a set for yourself, you can find the link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.